Hello. In this video, I'm going to demonstrate a knit that is like Cheviot fabric's relief. It can be recognized by the pattern of diagonal ribs. The scheme consists of 2 stitches in 1 row. It is double-sided, and with a tight structure that makes it resistant to stretching. This sample is knitted with woolen yarn. Here you see another sample with a bamboo yarn. The cotton knit is effectively tightened so that it does not go loose. This original knitting pattern produces an attractive structure and lots of texture. The repeat pattern on both sides is: pull up a long loop from the row under the first loop, and slip the main one without knitting. Knit the next double loop through the back. Again. Pull up a long loop, slip the main one, and knit the next double loop through the back. Keep knitting in this manner to the end of the row and on the second side of the knitting. Pull up a long loop from the row under the first loop, and slip the main one without knitting. Knit the next double loop through the back. Keep knitting in this manner to the end of the row. As a result, we have this lovely knit with diagonal ribs that can be used to make hats, scarves, blankets for kids, sweaters, and cardigans. This design will produce knitwear that is elastic enough to be comfortable to wear and snug enough to prevent unraveling. Here you see the summer application. Light blouses, vests, and throws will go perfectly with it. This pattern is not present anywhere on the internet. It's an original pattern, and I highly recommend it. If you'd like to check out my knit creations and get them for yourself or as a gift, visit knitnotspace.com. I appreciate you all being here. If you enjoy the video, please click the like button. Subscribe to the channel and notifications to watch all of my videos. I wish you inspiration. Knit joyfully and with affection. See you soon.